you come out here?
80% of the reason is because of you. These past 3 weeks has been wow. It was worth it. Every penny, every night we went out, it was worth it.
Another satisfied customer.
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG. What up, though? Today, I'm going to give you episode 1 of the Travel OG Man on the Street series. Not too much editing, graphics, or special effects, just showing you guys a highlight reel of one of my days or nights in Thailand. I'm even going to give you a peek at my Patreon.
All right, we're in Thailand. This is what I'm talking about, y'all. Look at this pretty dark skin. American men, they like dark Thai. They like dark Thai.
Oh.
Are you Thai? What are you?
Yes, I'm Thai. I'm mixed.
You mixed? You mixed with black? What you mixed with?
Yeah, my daddy is black.
Your daddy black?
Yes, real black. My daddy real black, but he not from African American. Just
where's he from?
Cambodia.
Cambodia. Y'all see this? You can't make this shit up. Are you single, right?
Single, yeah. If you would like to have a kid or a child, is have a pretty face. You should have a pretty heart at first, okay?
Oh shit! See what I'm saying? They aggressive.
Yeah. If you have a pretty heart, daddy, mommy have a pretty heart. Your daughter, your kid completely very perfect, like a sculpture.
She said she give you a pretty baby. We can't make this shit up. So you make pretty baby. You give a pretty baby to a man?
Yeah, sure. If I choose that one.
If she chooses, y'all heard her. You see it? Wait a minute, hey! Wait, oh shit! She'll twist you up. She'll twist you up. Oh, what that thing do? You twist them up.
Very simple.
Very single.
Simple.
Oh, simple. I thought you said single.
All right, Patreon members, friends, Romans, countrymen, we have to agree. She's fine. But there gotta be something a little bit off. How you gonna be that fine and not have... I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna move on, but it's a pretty beautiful brown thing. So when y'all ask me about dark-skinned sisters, they got them out here. I think there's a little something to come with that. We gonna see what it is, man. But let me show y'all what happened with me on my bike. I can't make this up. I know I left my key in my bike. I left my key in my motorbike. I thought I lost my key. I left it in the motorbike. The bike's been sitting there for like 3 hours. Nobody touched the bike. I can't make this shit up. Bye, Dennis Rodman. Man, I love it here. When I tell you I can't make this ish up, I really mean I can't make this ish up. This is a woman in her early 40s, still attractive, could easily get a man in the Matrix. But here, she's just a lonely bar owner looking for love. Leave a message in the comments section if you could keep her warm on a cold winter night. You dig? What'd you just tell me? What'd you just say? What'd you just say?
I'm sad. I'm not beautiful. I'm no big. I'm not the big boo. I'm not the big ass. But I'm yummy.
That's what she said. She's yummy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I said that.
You yummy?
All right.
You like American man?
Yes.
Black man?
Yes, they love.
Okay, why not?
All
See,
right.
they don't trip on race out here.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring them to your bar, okay?
Okay.
Make them drink all
Come
the beer.
on. Come on.
Tell them to come on. And for those of you who prefer something a little younger and more turned up, I got something for that too. Check out these handlebars. Yeah, let me see. Break it. Oh yeah, they want to pull on that. Let me see. Break it down. Let me see that twerk move. Hey, pop it, girl. Pop it. Hey, pop it with them handlebars. Hey. Oh shit. Oh, look at her. She know how to pop that backpack. Let's pop that backpack. Hey, y'all see this? I can't make this shit up. More loud. You said loud? Patreon members. That's what I be talking about, y'all. I ain't trying to be creep cam, but I'm saying, middle of the street, beautiful woman just walking down the street by herself. Don't nobody care. Don't nobody bother her. Can't make this up, man. Just finished talking to her. Sweet smile, everything cool. She had a boyfriend, but when they have a boyfriend, they don't be like with an attitude they got a boyfriend. They just tell you, they smile.
got a boyfriend. She told me where she works. She said she worked at the bar. So, I might just have to meet her at the bar. You dig? Look at her. She beautiful. Suadi Ka. Which bar you work at so we know where to go? What's your name?
Taya.
Taya's in the building, y'all. You see how easy Taya's walking by herself to work. Nobody bothering her. Yeah, she's trying. Will you come stand in front of her? Patreon members. All right, you guys. Even the women in the hospital can get it. This isn't a hospital. This is actually, I'm getting a vitamin shot. And look what I have. I have a wonderful doctor here. I got a beautiful, single, fit, feminine, friendly, and cooperative woman here. You have a boyfriend?
Yes.
You do? Oh, now you got a boyfriend. You said you didn't have one. You have a boyfriend?
I have a lot.
Oh, you have a lot? Oh, she a player. Oh, player. Or you have a girlfriend. You can have a girlfriend too. You know, it's a different way. Okay, that's okay. Hey.
That is okay.
Whatever make you happy.
Yeah. Whatever make you happy.
Yeah. What make you happy? Oh, now she wanna be shy now. Don't get shy now. Don't get shy now. Right. So here's the question I gotta ask Thai women. Can you cook?
Yes, of course I can cook.
Oh, she gone. And she gone now.
She can cook right now.
She like. She
Yes,
know
of
how
course I
to.
can cook.
You don't know how to cook.
You know what? Mama noodle, right? You know Mama noodle.
Mama do darn.
Yeah, Mama you can buy at 7-Eleven.
Really?
Cup. Mama noodle.
Oh,
So it's easy. You can you put hot water inside.
Yeah.
That's why I
Nah,
cook
you
it.
talking about oodles and noodles. I'm talking about cooking a Thai dish.
Yeah, like a
I'm talking about cow pot guy.
yeah, I can.
Can she make hot dog? Can she make if she go home?
I don't know. Yes, of course I can.
You sure? Cause you auditioning
But
right
I
now.
only I eat
You like pet mark or pet neat noise?
a little bit. I not like
Oh.
pet mart.
You like American food or you like Thai food?
Can be both because I like to eat junk food. I like
Okay.
to eat burger. I like to eat
Oh
pizza.
wow.
Yeah.
And you still look good and you can eat the same stuff. How come I'm on and you not?
Call it train.
Oh.
That's why.
I see.
Obviously, you got like almost 100,000, but you know, everybody know who you are now, bro. They appreciate you too.
Appreciate you, brother.
Yeah, they appreciate you because you get some insight to stuff that other guys don't get insight to. Because until you mentioned it, I didn't know about the dark side.
Wow.
Actually, I saw your video about the dark side while I was in the States.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, you just fresh meat just getting here. Well, I put that bit up a while ago. Oh, okay.
I was on a trip. But I'm saying I didn't know about the dark side until you provided insight about it.
Right.
Because everybody's so busy over here, nobody talking about the dark side. You know, yeah, it's a little bit of a drive, but it's a pristine community. Golf communities, gated.
You golf?
No, I don't golf. But I'll ride in the car.
Another blessed day. Uh-oh, what we got here? We got L Boogie ironing the L Boogie Zoom to Thailand shirt. Y'all see the Zoom to Thailand shirts? You see it? You see who's on the back now? I used to have my fat ass on the back, but I said it's smarter to have a L Boogie on the back of the shirt, doodle. How you like the Zoom to Thailand shirts? You like the white color? What color you think the back man like?
Black or red?
Black or red, okay. The white color for you. You like the white color?
I think lady like white color.
Oh, okay. Lady like white color. See, Elle losing her big legs. She ain't been eating her rice like she's supposed to, man. What's going on? What's up with the rice? What's up with the rice intake? You dig?
I could eat.
This shirt's too big for you. Let me see you try this one on. Let me see. That's probably too big for you. Let me see. Show me. Zoom. Hey! Tell them Noodle say zoom to Thailand.
Zoom to Thailand.
Hey! Y'all make sure y'all pick up one of them shirts when y'all out here. I can't ship them to the States. Yeah, okay. Let me see what you look like with it. Oh, let me see. Oh, wait a minute. She throwing it. Oh, hey! Wait a minute. Hey! Let me see. Hey! Look at L Boogie on the back. I like it. These are the new shirts, y'all. This is the way we doing it. We got the, it also got the little, what's the name? The little, barcode on there, so somebody need to know what's Zoom to Thailand. Boom, you just flex on them with the barcode. And remember, man, these shirts, like Elle is personally ironing these shirts. I'm probably gonna have her wash them too, so they have that good smell on them. They don't have that just came out the factory smell. They got that Elle Boogie just wash this smell. Can you wash the t-shirts, baby? So when people have them, they can. Okay, thank you. All right. Well, shout out to you. Oh, you about to take it off? I don't know if they need to see all that. Oh shit! Hey!
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.
How many kilos are you? You ain't no 35 kilos.
Transparent, it should be 35.
Let's see your kilos. Let me see. You made me get on. Okay.
Oh, she ain't scared? Okay.
She's not scared. She might go. She got a little something back there too, yeah. Okay. Let me see what it say. One of them is the booty.
52.
Ooh, we like those. That man, we like. Yay.
Yeah, we're gonna call it
Yeah.
50. 50. We'll call it 50.
50. Okay. We like. We don't like. I don't like palm. He like palm. I'm not like
palm. And
He
you
like
like-
palm. Me, I don't like palm.
You like what?
Not one. I like tusuai.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. I don't know.
And your height centimeter?
I'm the same height as him.
I like when you laugh.
You like when he laughs? I hate when he laughs because he's laughing at me. Oh, Chocolate's the comedian today, ladies and gentlemen. Chocolate Man's going to be performing all this weekend.
Yes, sir. Tip your waitress.
This girl looks just like Elle, man. Look at that. The only difference between her and Elle, her hair is longer than Elle. That's the only difference. I mean, when you see this girl's face, she looks just like Elle, man. That is crazy.